circuit breakers on the Captain controllers. When you're using low voltage motors, you can get the Captain controller with a built-in power supply, and it'll go over to circuit breakers when a motor doesn't run right. So you can do all you want here in the front. Open, close, things will click, but the motor won't go. And I'll show you what to look for. So step one, if it's just one motor that doesn't go, there's little resets here. They'll say it's out like automotive type circuit breakers, and they have a little tab on the top, and that'll pop out further when it trips. And then you just go press it back in. There, I tripped it. You can see just a little bit, it sticks out just a little bit more. So then you press it in and it'll click. There we go. So you got a circuit breaker per motor, and this unit will do up to 3 motors. So check those, and if neither of those are tripped, there's one here, and the next are at the bottom. You come press up on the bottom. So if either one of these trip, the whole unit's going to shut down. There won't be any motors running. So if no motors are running, check these. These are more related. If these trip, it's more lightning related. If this, it's more just a motor. If a motor trips over and over again, get an amp meter, get an electrician, get an amp meter, and check how much power your curtain or vent is actually taking. Because if this unit, it comes with 5 and 7.5, so it's taking more electric than that. You need either the Captain 10 with a bigger power supply, or something is wrong with your motor. Bigger circuit breakers are not better for if you actually don't need it, because more power usually indicates something's wrong. If a small vent taking a lot of power, something's wrong. So there, you understand the circuit breakers individually. If one motor, check here, and if it just trips all the time, maybe the circuit breaker's too small. But if it's not a new installation, something's probably wrong somewhere else. So when things don't work for your controller, this is actually what we use here. We've got a panel. We put a bunch of the different controls we use on. It's not near all of them as we just started it. When you call in, we actually come up here and press around on them so we can help. In our minds, we can like touch and feel the same thing you are when you call in. So ideally, you watch online we have a lot of videos online. Watch those, because if you call in for a common question, we'll point you towards the video. Otherwise, we'll come up here and step ourselves through it as what you're experiencing so that we better understand.